Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, sweet friends. Let's jump right into the video. So as you can tell today by the title of the video, we are going to do my coffee bar. But before we do my coffee bar, I am going to take you outside to my little design studio, and I'm going to voice over, and we're going to do a DIY together, because this is going to tie in everything in my house. And also, this is a great way for you all to get some good ideas on stuff that you might have left over in the house or things that you have thrifted. So let's go outside, and then we'll come back inside and finish up that coffee bar. Okay, friends, we are outside in my design studio right now. And what I'm doing here, what I have here, is a old swag. It's probably from Michael's, and it's really seen better days. I've used this in my house a couple times throughout the years, but it was looking really raggedy, and I wanted something more full and more impressive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repurpose what I have. I have some picks, and I'm wiring them. I'm going to wire them to the back of the swag to make the swag fuller. As you can see here, I love using the green floral wire for everything. I think it's amazing, that stuff. So here's the best part of having something like this and crafting. You know, when you have something like this in your stash and you just think, oh, I could throw it out, or you find something like this at a thrift store for really no money at all, take it home and, repurpose it and wait till the end. I mean, this is going to look amazing. Like, I'm even very impressed on what I did to it. I love the poinsettias, I love the colors, and I love everything I added to it. The greenery picks with the snow flocked on it really are starting to fill this in. Now I'm going to add some little ornaments, and I'm just hot gluing them on here and there. These are ornaments that I had that I was not using, and I thought the red and gold really tied in really nicely. It's really starting to come together. I mean, I wish I could step back a little bit more and look at it, but I think it's really coming together. And I'm sorry that my back is to you in this video, but I hope that you get a great idea from this and it inspires you to take something you have and repurpose it. Okay, before I do the ribbon, because I do want to put ribbon on here, I'm going to put some of this magnolia leaf garland that I had. But you know what? I played with it, and you'll see in a minute, it just does not turn out the way I was thinking. So I'm going to cut the garland up and hot glue pieces of magnolia leaf to it. I think that's a much better idea. Much better idea. Okay, ribbon time. Again, my green floral wire always comes in handy. I love this stuff. And I do this on trees also, y'all. Tie it in, make a loop, fluff your loop up, and make sure you go from side to side to give it lots of interest. Okay, my friends, so we're here in my coffee bar now, and I hung up the swag that we made. Isn't it beautiful? I think it turned out great. For something that I was actually going to throw in the garbage, I think it turned out wonderful. Okay, let's concentrate on the coffee bar. But before we get into the coffee bar, because you're already a subby of mine, and if you're not, and you're new to my channel, you just stumbled by, I'm Bella. On Mondays, every Monday, I do this little thing called declare, declare, declare. So basically what it is, you declare in his name what you want to come into your life, and you take all the negativity and all the unpositive stuff that's going on in your life, and you bundle it up and you throw it out the window. Honestly, it works. We've had so many people on my channel that have been with me for a long time that have bought homes and have been cured of illnesses and all kinds of different things. And they're declaring, declaring, declaring. I'm declaring something very special, obviously, for me. So today is Monday, the greatest day of the week. Make sure you declare. And make sure you have a great cup of coffee, because who doesn't love a coffee bar? Let me move you over a little bit and we're gonna decorate my coffee bar together. The thing I'm gonna start with is this right here. And I got a little step stool because I'm shorty McShorty. We're gonna get on my step stool and I'm gonna put this up on the top of the coffee bar. I like it. What I'm trying to do is a little bit of a woodland kind of theme to my coffee bar and my kitchen. Like, you'll see it. It's all gonna tie in. It's all gonna tie in great whenever I'm done. Because I'm late to the game this year, y'all. Use this tree that I have. I think it's from, I'm not sure actually where it's from. It could be from Michael's. It could be from Walmart. It could be from God knows where. So I'm just gonna put this tree, but I want to fluff it a bit and make it look nice and full. I like the snowy cap trees. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty, right? Okay, so put that up there. And then every coffee bar needs a canister. I use my black canister. I like this because of the wood, because it ties in the black of my shelves and the wood. It matches perfectly. So let me put this here. And I want to see my sign, but I also want to see the wood. And then I think it needs something small here. What do y'all think? It needs something really small. Maybe a cup. Maybe a cup. Let's find some cute cup. I think that looks cute. What do y'all think? Don't worry, I'm gonna bring you in closer. Then I'm gonna grab another little tree that matches the other one, and I'm gonna put it here. Now, mind you, we're hiding the sign. Let me think. No, let me zhuzh this up. Hopefully you can see. Okay, let's work on the other shelf. I'm gonna leave that shelf alone for right now. I'm gonna work on this one down here. Now, I have a few things corralled here. Let me bring them in closer, and we'll start playing with them. So first things first is gonna be my clock. I love this clock. It is so cute. It's like a tea kettle, so it matches perfect for the coffee bar. Then I have this little black cake stand, and I think this will also work really well with my theme or what I'm going for. Let me get some more stuff. Okay, this is something that I really want to use. What it is it's a wired house, and I put a little stand in it, and I put a little wreath around it. And what I want to do is display one of my favorite mugs. So this is one of my ultimate favorite Christmas mugs. I got it at the at-home store last year. I absolutely love this mug. I just think it is so beautiful, and I like the attention to detail. And now the red, now we're starting to pull in the red, and then the red from here. So what I want to do is get some mugs to put on that stand. Okay, let's add a little whimsy. It's a 3 mug set. It is, I'm trying not to break it. It's a little elf. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna voice over this part because, oh my God, I was really struggling here. So I kept moving that poor little 3-piece elf thing, and then I finally said, no, let me just leave it where it is. I added some faux sweets. Amazing. Y'all, linked in Amazon. Go get yourself some faux sweets. It will change your decorating. I'm telling you, it'll change your decorating. A cute little sign, a little tree, and that is it. I think it looks cute. And then this poor top shelf. I mean, I struggled with this, honestly. I put a little riser and a little Santa. I didn't like that either. Didn't think that looked cute. And then in the end, I just decided on a Santa. All right. Let's do the bottom shelf. Actually, this is the top of the actual cabinet. I got my woodland Santa and a little tree, the tree. This is a cream and sugar set. I love them. Aren't they the cutest? And then my little peppermint spoons from Hobby Lobby. Adorable. Okay, let's make these canisters, Christmas canisters. Y'all, this is such an easy trick, and I'm sure you've seen it before. Just take your favorite Christmas ribbon, whatever matches your decor. I'm using red velvet, but you use what you have. Tie a beautiful bow, dovetail the ends, and I'm telling you, you got yourself Christmas canisters. I mean, this works for any season, really. Okay, let's do the 3 shelves down below. I know this is a lot of decor. I'm using a faux stack of books, that little red truck, my mugs, some of my favorite Christmas mugs, and a little cute tree. Nothing to this, y'all. Really nothing to this. Cute little flock tree with some berries in it. And I'm going to put one more down there. And 2 more of my favorite mugs. I love these mugs. Oh, they're so cute. So cute. And, oh, wait, one more thing. My salt and pepper shakers. These are Santa and Mrs. Claus kissing. All right, y'all. Have a look at the coffee bar. All done. Well, my friends, you made it to the end of the video. I love it. I think it turned out so cute. So cute. Very inexpensive way to make yourself Christmas canisters. Why not? Why not? These canisters, by the way, are linked in my Amazon store if anybody's interested. I used what I had. I think it's got lots of interest, lots of texture. It's fun. It's cute. It says Christmas. It says grab yourself an amazing cup of coffee. Wake up in the morning. You see all this cuteness and beauty. I mean, you can't go wrong. Can you go wrong with such a cute thing? And this that we made for the pantry door, I just think I'm impressed, y'all, because really, honestly, I was going to throw it out. I was really going to throw it out. Anyways, I hope you have a fantastic week. Come back and see me very, very soon. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, share, like, comment. Oh my God, please comment because I love your comments. I love, love, love them. And thank you everybody for the love and support on last week's video, the China Hutch. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to leave it linked right at the end of this video. Bye YouTube. Bye everybody. I'll catch you guys very, very soon.